Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload the video. Hello guys, Chastile and Namaste, and it's me Karma Sring. So today I'm going to teach you how to replace the iPhone 6 display, okay? Without wasting much time, let's get into it, okay guys? First you need to unscrew. There is two screws on it, one and two. First of all you need to unscrew it. This is the iPhone screw unlocker. Actually iPhone 6 frame is broken down, so I need to pull up the display with the help of suction cup. I need to pull these things. One screws down, another is not lost, so just slowly. First of all, always remember that you need to disable the battery, and after that display 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's done. Just remove this and unscrew this. Here's the original set display, so I need to place all the ear speaker and front camera and home button to it, okay guys? The one thing you get to know that it's a copy display. You will get a sign like this, and first thing is that you won't get Apple logo on it, okay? In the original display you get Apple logo on it. I'm not so sure that as you can see the Apple logo or not, but as you look closer you will see Apple sign, okay guys? It shows original, and the first one is the Apple logo, and second one is there is a little bit of sponge on it, okay? Let's take out the always manage the screw because later it will get your problem. There will be 3 screws holding the ear speaker and front camera. After removing the 3 screws, so we'll remove this thread, okay? There is 6 screws, 3 on each side, and the plate is placed because to help or support the display, okay guys? Now we are going to unscrew the fingerprint cap. After removing the plate, you have to push forward from the home button to take out from the place the home button to remove easily, okay guys? There will be a glue attaching the home button and front camera, so you just need to disattach it Don't use the metal one, I'm using the soft one, so be careful and do very slowly. You can see my upper side of the display is broken, so I'm pushing all the flags through it. So the plate in the screw is very important, because if you miss the screw then it won't be placed accordingly, so it's very important to place the screw. Okay guys. Fingerprint flags should be attached very properly and carefully, because it's very fragile. You just need to put the flags hole into a proper shape. Okay guys. Always check the home button if it works perfectly or not. Okay guys. I have already added the 3 display connectors, so only one left for you guys. The battery connector screw is very important, so don't ever miss, guys. You have to gently press on all sides. I'm sorry for showing my head. You should press it gently, don't press so hard. You should check the front camera if it's working or not. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe to my channel guys. Give this a like guys. This is the damaged display and this is the original.